Over the years, I've noticed something consistent. Whether someone comes in for gut issues, anxiety, hormonal swings, or concerns about their child's focus, the common thread is regulation. Hi, I'm Dr. Heather from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. When the autonomic nervous system becomes more flexible, everything shifts. Digestion improves, mood steadies, energy rises, resilience grows. Healing is rarely dramatic. It's steady, layered, often quiet. It looks like fewer spikes, shorter recovery times, more adaptability. Chiropractic care, when focused on restoring neurological communication, supports that adaptability. We're not chasing symptoms, we're restoring function. So let's gently put this into action. Choose one daily nervous system practice, breathwork, posture awareness, or begin getting your spine and nervous system checked regularly, and stay with it for 2 weeks. And if you've never had your nervous system evaluated, consider starting there. An evaluation helps us understand what your system specifically needs. Give your body time to respond. Regulation isn't forced, it's restored.